Identification of fungal cultures to identify fungal culture beside a microscopic examination. Um, to identify fungal culture beside macroscopic examination of a fungal growth, lactophenol, cotton blue, wet mount, gram staining, Indian ink preparations, germ tube test, slide culture, etc. may be required technique. Lactophenol, cotton blue, wet mount preparation. Lactophenol, cotton blue, wet mount is most commonly used method in microbiological for identification of filamentous fungi. Requirement of fungal growth on a stab or texture agar medium. Lactophenol cotton blue stain contain 20 grams of phenol crystal and 20 ml of lactic acid and 20 ml of glycerol to 20 ml of distilled water. Dissolve these ingredients by heating in water bath. Add 0.05 grams of cotton blue which is stain. Procedure: place a drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain at the center of the clean glass slide with the help of wire loop. Place a small mass of fungal growth in a drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain. Tease the fungal growth with the help of teasing needle and spread it in a lactophenol cotton blue stain. Tangle mass should be well separated. Place a cover slip carefully over the lactophenol cotton blue drop so that no air bubble should be present. Examine the preparation under high power objectives of microscope. Observe the fungi appears as a dark blue stain. Mycelium, the hyphae may be seen as a separate or aseptate hyphae. Spores, sporangia, and other fungal structures may also be observed. Gram staining. Gram staining is used to identify the yeast which are gram positives. Morphology of growth and yeast on SDA is similar to that of bacterial growth. The preparation of smear from the growth and the procedure of gram staining is similar to the bacterial growth. Observation on gram staining is reported as a gram positive yeast or gram positive budding yeast cells, depending upon your finding. Indian ink preparation. The Indian ink staining is used to demonstrate the capsule of some yeast and certain capsulated bacteria. It is a negative staining technique. It may be used for direct demonstration of capsulated microorganisms, yeast and bacteria in CSF. Requirement: CSF for yeast growth on SDA. Indian ink glass slide, cover slip, wire loop, spirit lamp, microscope. Procedure: put a drop of Indian ink on the glass slide. Take yeast growth with the help of a wire loop and mix the drop of Indian ink on the glass slide. Gently put the cover slip over the preparation, taking care not to introduce a bubble. Examine the preparation under low power and high power 40x objectives of microscope. Record your findings and report observation. The presence of clear halo around the yeast cells may be observed. The organism may be Cryptococcus neoforms. Germ tube test. The germ tube test is a simple test to differentiate the pathogenic Candida albicans from non-pathogenic Candida species. Requirement: the yeast growth on SDA to be tested. The test tube, wire loop, fetal cough serum or rabbit serum. Culture of known Candida albicans and SDA positive control. Culture of known Candida parapsilosis on SDA negative control. Microscope. Take 3 test tube and add these as 1 to 3. Add 0.5 ml of serum to each of these test tube with the help of sterile wire loop. Take half of the single colony of yeast growth to be tested and mix it with the serum in the test tube. Similarly, take half of the single colony of Candida albicans positive control, mix it with the serum in the test tube. To similarly take half of the single colony of Cryptococcus parapsilosis negative control and mix it with the serum in the test tube. 3. Incubate all 3 test tubes at 37 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours. Place 1 drop of suspension from the test tube 1, 2, 3 on 3 different slides. Place cover slips over the drop of these slides. Examine the preparation under low power 10x and high power objectives of microscope. Observation: the germ tube is seen in long tube-like projection extending from the yeast cell. They should be differentiated from pseudohyphae. In germ tube there is no constructions at the site of attachment, while the constructions is present in pseudohyphae. Test tube 1 positive negative yeast to be tested. Test tube 2, germ tube positive, positive control. Test tube 3, germ tube negative, negative control. Slide culture. Slide culture is the useful technique to study the undistributed morphology of fungi. Requirement: mold to be tested. Slide culture has set sterile petri dish, filter paper, V-shaped glass rod, glass lid cover, glass cover slip. The sterile glass test tube with rimless mouth and inside diameter of 15 millimeter. The sterile distilled water. Distilled water, Sabro sugar in a petri dish to be depth of 2 millimeter. Sterile scalpel blade, bacteriological wire loop, forceps, lactophenol cotton blue stain microscope procedure. With the help of sterile scalpel blade, cut out the 1 square centimeter block of Sabro drugstore agar from the petri dish. Place a agar block in the center of the glass slide. In the slide culture set using sterile bacteriological wire loop. Incubate 3 to 4 fragments of mold around the periphery of agar block. 1 3 to 4 slide using the bacteriological wire loop with forceps, the tip of which have been flamed. Place the cover slip on the inoculated agar block. Moisten the filter paper in the petri dish with the sterile distilled water. Incubate the slide culture at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. Remove the slide culture from the petri dish. Dry the bottom of the slide with the filter paper. When growth appears beneath the cover slip, take a glass slide and place a drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain on it. Now place a cover slip. Remove from the agar block on the drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain. Examine the slide under the low power 10x and high power 40x objectives of microscope. Observation: the growth of aerial hyphae leading including of conidia force and observed underneath of the cover slip. Type of hyphae, arrangement of conidia for staining characteristics of etc. of fungi can be observed.